Hey, stop! Don't lose easy marks in math. Most students lose marks in mathematics because of their silly mistakes. So from today till 16 February, I'm going to share you 5 things every day which you must avoid in the boards so that you can score way higher. Let's begin. The very first mistake in probability. So whenever you're asked to find the number of cards, when the cards are numbered from 5 to 70, usually we subtract and write the answer, 70 minus 5, 65. What we need to do is initially subtract and then add 1 to get the number of cards as 66. The second one, model class. So whenever you are given the mode and are asked to find the missing class, what usually happens is among the frequencies given to us, we often pick up the highest frequency, which in this case is 14. And based on that, we identify the model class as 10 to 20. Instead, what we need to do is, model class is a class in which the mode lies. So here the mode is 28, so the model class has to be 20 to 30. Then the third one, that problem of ratios in the triangles. So in this case, we have a triangle that DE parallel to BC, and we have ratio of AD to BD, which is 2 by 3. We are given the measurement of D as 4. In this case, what we generally tend to do is we tend to confuse the ratio of DPT and the similarity. That is, we tend to write AD by DB is equal to DE by EC. Substitute and simplify to get B as 6. Instead, we need to do the ratio of AD to AB. That is, whenever we involve parallel sides, we should not use DPT, we should use similarity. The ratio of AD to AB is equal to ratio of DE to BC. That would give us the correct value of 10 here. Then, the classic trigonometry. So here, whenever you're asked to simplify, take LCM in the first step. We often tend to cross multiply and take LCM. So of course, cos into cos would give us cos square, but 1 plus sign into 1 plus sign will not give us 1 plus sign square. Please note, 1 plus sign into 1 plus sign would give us 1 plus sin A the whole square. A plus B into A plus B is A plus B the whole square. Then for the final one, the negative that always troubles us. So whenever you're asked to find the sum of zeros in any quadratic polynomial, we often tend to forget the negative. It is minus b. So whenever we have the term b to be negative, it is minus of minus 3. I'm sure that you will all avoid these mistakes. So stay tuned for part 2.